Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Yoli and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So for all my new viewers, if it's your first time here, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. If you are enjoying my content, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, please go ahead and also give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. I love to, interact with you guys in the comment section. And for all my subbies that support me every time I drop a video, thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for, always encouraging your girl. So anyways, guys, it's been a minute since I've posted a vlog. But anyways, guys, don't worry yourself. Your girl is back. So from you see the boxes here, guys, it's an unboxing. Anyways, guys, I am into juicing. So I invested in another great juicer and I am excited to share it with you guys. So it's the Nama Nourish Your Vitality juicer, and from you see the name, it's a trending juicer. Like a lot of people, it's one of those top juicers that a lot of influencers, a lot of health, people who are in the health field, this is one of their highly recommended juicer. And I'm like, so your girl invested in it, and I will be doing a lot of juicing vlogs with you guys, and also giving you guys my honest opinion when I start using the juicer. But for now, I just want to unbox it with you guys. All right, so I'm gonna start it with the bigger one, guys. I'm gonna put these ones over here, and I'm gonna start open this one. I don't know if you guys are as excited as I am. All right, so let's start opening the big one. Oh, guys, this looks like a huge box inside. Look like I'm gonna have to call Acorn, guys. Let me see. Ooh. The packaging. I'm loving the packaging, guys. But how am I think I have to put it to lay down, guys. I think I have to put it to lay down. Here I am thinking it's something that, guys, this is something here. Oh, no, guys, what do you do? So I actually have to pull it from here. And look, guys, there's a big open sign. Poor me. It's late. Let's blame it on that, guys. It's late. So, guys, let me see. Guys, it's in more packaging. It's in more. So this is so on it, guys, you have like, the label. So this is the chamber set. This is the base. This is the push cleaning brush, juice container, and smoothie strainer. Okay. So guys, let me see. So this is the chamber, they said. I'm gonna take out these boxes, guys, and then we go through them piece by piece. I'll put them back in after. Guys, the box heavy. Oh my goodness. Guys, my older sister is gonna be excited because she's been waiting for me to do this unboxing. So guys, they said to start here, chamber set. So let me open the chamber set. Guys, it, you know, quality. Ooh. Let me get the box open. So guys, this is the chamber set. So the chamber, guys, is where you load your fruits and vegetables. So guys, I better go read. Okay, so yes. So you load them down in here and then you close. Guys, can you all see? I'm excited. So let me see what else is in this box. Okay, so this is the manual and how to use it. So guys, this is the chamber. I'm just gonna put it back, guys. But I have to make sure I'm fitting it properly. So I'm gonna put that, guys. I should have put it together, but when I'm doing the juicing, so this is the base now, guys. Actually, I should have put the chamber on the base. Ooh. Guys, them something here heavy duty. I think I might put the look, guys, it's heavy. Guys, this is it. So this is the base, guys, and it's really heavy. Guys, I think I should put it on, especially the fact that I'm gonna have to turn it on. Might as well. Hey. Yes, guys, let me bring it a little closer for y'all, for those in the back that can't see. Okay, so what's in this now? So guys, this is the strainer that strains, I don't know, because this has a hole in it. So you know what? It's an extra strainer. I got an extra strainer for it in there. I thought it was something else. And then in this is the, I wonder, oh. So it's 2 jug, guys. One is for the juice and one is for the trash. Okay? I don't know which one goes which side, but I know one's for the juice. Go like that. I think this is for the juice because it has the measuring amount, and then this is for the trash. And then this, they said it's oh, guys, I guess, I don't know. Okay, I think this, no, this is what I'm guessing, guys, because I'm not reading the manual. This is what I am guessing, to push stuff down. That's what I am guessing. And this is the brush to clean it. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing, and I think I'm correct. guys, and this is the extension for it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put these to the side here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna get these ones. So guys, I went ahead. So for this, all this, guys, I think was about 800 something with tax, just this. And then I went ahead and I had to buy these stuff separately. I know one of them is the strainer to strain the pulp out the juice. So let's see. Guys, I'm trying to see where it says open. There's this one. Okay. Okay, so no guys, I didn't buy this one. It's another one I bought. So this one comes with it. This little strainer fits in this here. So this is for the juice. So when the juice come out, guys, it's strain it, right? So that one I'm remembering now. So this one I didn't buy it. It came with it. So all this here was 8 something. I think 8 something or net. When I'm done opening everything, guys, I'll remember. Let me go on open first. Guys, I don't want to rip the back bad in case I have to return. Oh. In case I have to return anything. Okay. So this now, guys, I had to buy extra because this is the large. This is the large size. The large size chamber to this, and because I do large amount of juicing, like large juice amount of juicing, if I should pack everything, it would take me forever. So I got the large one. So when I'm doing juicing for myself, but when I'm doing my juicing, my bulk amount of juicing, I will use this one. So this chamber cost me an extra, say 160. Yeah. This one cost me an extra 160. So for those who are buying it and for their own personal use, they could just use that small one, but I needed a large chamber. Yeah. So, okay. Let me just put that here for now. And then, okay, I remember what this is too. So this is, let me show you guys. So this now, guys, is a large pitcher. So just because I do a large batch of juices, I had to get a large pitcher too. So this is a large pitcher and this is the small picture, right? Yeah, so this one comes with it, and this one was an extra accessory that I know I was gonna need, and this cost me another 100 and something. I think another 160. So it has a cover, the cover, and then it has its own strainer, and then it has something else. So then I guess you have, okay, so that goes down in that. I don't know, or I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna have to read and see. So this is the strainer. Just like how this one have a small strainer, this one has a large strainer. And it has a cover, and it has a spoon to, you know, squeeze out the pulp. Yeah. Guys, everything came to 1,300 and something Canadian. Yeah, guys, it's not cheap, but guess what, guys? I will always invest in my craft because I want my products represent me, and I am my product. I am my brand. I am my name. So I have to invest in myself, invest in my business, invest in my, you know, my things that I use. Yes, so I can, you know, give the best and make the best. You know what I mean? Yes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and you know, you guys will be getting content on a regular now. You know, your girl was just busy. I'm a busy girl. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Let me see if this was one of the receipts. Let me see. No, this wasn't a receipt. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And come back again, guys. Come back. Come back. Support. So anyway, guys, so I'm finally gonna try out my nama. So guys, I am making, you know, excuse, it's not really mess, but this is, I'll be making celery juice. So I have my celery and my apple over here. So these are washed, so I'm gonna, you know, try out the juicer and, you know, juice these, and then after I rinse those, and yeah. So what I do, guys, I normally wash my fruits and my vegetables in a little baking soda and cold water, so that kill, you know, any insect, anything on them, dirt, whatever. Yeah, so let me go ahead and try it out so you guys can see, so you all can see. I'm excited, you know, like when I get a little kid get a new toy, I saw me excited. Let me see. Okay, but now pull it up too much. So guys, this is the big jug, right? You guys saw the other one that I showed you guys. Let me see, last night. Okay, so all right, let me turn it on now, guys, and see. Okay, it's a go on, people. I don't see no juice in my bottom yet. Alright. It's a juice I make. It's a juice. See test that so what happened now, I don't know if it stop on its own when this full up, or I have to stop it. What's it a go on? It's guanin. Just taking its sweet time. Okay, guys. You see the trash? Trash coming out. Guys, I kind of like this for me. The other one, the kitchen now go. Guys, normally when me juice, guys, to clean up the kitchen, this one, the trash now go out, you know, all over the place. Let me see if the juice completely out. So go on, guys. What I want to see is if it's gonna stop on its own when this full. Yeah. It's a good one. So go on. It's going in. Pardon? No, like I want to see, yeah, because this only can full to a certain. Yeah, but we still want.
She's trying to see if it will stop on its own, or if she have to be the one.
So we can give more one, you know. Review, yeah. Because really, if you look, it's almost full with the amount that's in the chamber.
On this side, it shows that it passed the measuring.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe I need. Well, it's see. It looks like it's stopped. Oh, it's done.
So it stopped when it's empty.
No, it didn't stop on its own. Yeah, but what I'm saying is it didn't stop on its own.
She wanted to test to see if it.
So guys, see.
Ooh.
I'm loving this for me.
Upgrade.
Yeah, upgrade me, Lord. Just upgrade every aspect of my life.
Amen.
Yes, guys. So, guys, but just a good one little snippet. Not today, guys. We have too much work to keep this camera going. So, we keep on posted, right? After me finish, me show you. Alright? Yeah.
Put your sweats on, put your sweats on.